Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a beautiful landing page inside of Thrive Architect. Here we go. All right, everybody, hello and welcome back. So, in this video, I want to show you exactly how I created this beautiful lead generating landing page, okay? And how you can do the same thing, showing your benefits, talking about you, and even with all these buttons and everything down below, if somebody clicks that, it'll take them back to the top here. A true, beautiful landing page for Thrive Architect. There's nothing like this out there. And the big problem that I ran into is that even with all of these beautiful landing page templates inside of Thrive Architect, there is absolutely nothing inside of this that helps you do exactly what I'm doing here. You want to collect somebody's name and email, help them register, and then once somebody actually registers here, they are taken to this page. This is a custom created thank you page, and what this is if somebody registers for this page, let me walk you through a scenario. That's the best way to explain this. It's a webinar landing page, okay? You've got a free training class, people sign up, or it could even be just a video training if you don't want to have an automated webinar or you can't actually do a webinar. You set this up, and then whenever people enter their information, it is automatically transferred to your mailing list or CRM. They hit register, they're immediately taken to this page. Now, what you'll notice is it could say webinar replay, it could say video training, whatever. This is also a placeholder, get more customers. Your video is embedded here. You can embed a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, a Wistia video, whatever you want. And we've even got this timer here on the page that works, and a buy now button. So the goal of this template series here is you're offering some sort of free training, you're driving people to this page, they enter their information, then they're taken to this thank you page. This is a funnel, okay? They're taken to this thank you page where they watch this video. But you might be wondering, why are you showing a buy button? Nobody wants to buy immediately while they're watching a video. They want to watch the video. Aha, exactly. And this is where you get into CRO, conversion rate optimization. This, if somebody actually comes on this page, watch this. This is how the page looks. I'm going to reload the page here. This is how the page looks. You are in control with this template of when you want the buy button to show up. And watch, I set it to 10 seconds, so it's about to show up. And it'll scroll down and even highlight it, where you can pitch your product from this video, okay? Whatever it is you're talking about, your program, your course, your ebook, whatever, you can do that. Now, did you see how that slid out? That is so slick. And the reason that's important is because, I'm going to do this again here. If somebody gets on this page, they want to watch your video, say it's 45 minutes. If you start pitching at the 30-minute, segment in the video, you can set this buy button to appear exactly at 30 minutes. So if they're just watching your video up until the 30-minute point, it will not show anything. It will look exactly like this. And then when you say, hey, down below, you can buy my ebook, my course, I'm going to tell you more about this. Look at this. It'll pop up. This is all inside of Thrive. Now, building this is not easy. And what it's going to take is hours and hours of time. What you can do, your options here to build this beautiful landing page that I have right here are you can try and modify one of these already created templates inside of Thrive. Okay, that's a good option, might take you a while. The problem is none of these did exactly what I wanted, and I started playing with the columns and trying to adjust them, and nothing really seemed to work exactly right. So me looking at this, I was playing around with one of these. Watch this. We'll go in here and do this real quick. Excuse me. So let me hit apply template. And this is another test page I've created just to kind of play with this here. So this is a page. You've got a button. Let's go ahead and save it. And let's hit save and preview. So if I hit get it now, then the first name and email pops up here, and you've got your logo. This is not a bad landing page. Let's see what the button at the bottom also does. Okay, it's the same pop-up. I really didn't want all of that. I wanted a simple, easy, you're showing them all the information on the page, okay, inside of Thrive. So if we hit edit this with Thrive, I'll show you exactly how it's done. But the easiest and simplest way to get this template is you can download this template for Thrive. Watch how easy it is to create this. So if you wanted to go in and build this yourself, it'd probably take you at least an hour or two if you really know what you're doing and know how to use Thrive. You'd have to go edit this background section, add in an image, then add a dual column layer here. Add this information, make sure you've got a textured background here, insert all these headlines, format them, customize them, then insert your form here with your name, your email. One thing to note on this is you want to make sure that this is redirecting to the thank you page once somebody submits that information. You're going to want to make sure that you send the lead information to your CRM or your email marketing system. And then once you do that, you're going to want to add a divider, the 3 benefits of this, another headline here telling them something else that they get, which is a great idea because as you get people's emails, you can fire that off. But like I said, the easiest way, download this template below this video, and I'll give you this template for just $7 because I had to work with a developer to get this all built, and it's going to save you hours of your time. Watch how easy this is. So this is not going to work. I don't want to edit this. All I'm going to do here to build this beautiful landing page so easily, watch this. Import landing page. I've imported this this media file here that's zipped, which you can download in the description below of this video. You click import, watch this. Just like that, after only a few seconds, watch this. This is insane, the ability that you have here with these templates. Look at this. It's downloading all the information, all the background. Look, you hit save work. Now you've got this exact landing page template inside of Thrive Architect. You can literally edit this background, edit this information, connect it to your CRM, and you also get the landing page, or the thank you landing page here, where you can embed your video. You can change this text out. You can add a link to your program, your course, whatever. You can edit the timer down here below to match your video and add your logo and edit the other information. That's it. Look how simple that was. So if you're interested and want to learn more about this, just go over to training.prestonscorner.com. Look at this, the Thrive Architect webinar funnel. It's 2 pages. You buy it for $7. You can immediately download both of these templates. You can use them inside of Thrive. It's the easiest and best way to create a webinar or lead generation type landing page inside of Thrive Architect without pulling your hair out. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you next time.